I will show you how to get a YPD role in Discord server of Grand Mobile. First, you want to join Grand Mobile Discord server, link in description. First, you want to come to verification, then you can see the role. First, you want to click here, all. You want to just click on one, then you will be get citizen role. Then you scroll down, you will see four roles. Then here you can apply 4 roles like Samir applies. You first think you want to change your name to your rank, like this bracket, then your rank, then slash, then YPD in capital, then again bracket. Okay, then you want to save your name. Just you can also change your description. Then you want to come in 4 roles. You want your passport as screenshot. For applying, you want to you want first your name, then organization name, then position, which are you, then issue 1 role, then screenshot of passport, and attach passport screenshot like this. Name Abhimanyu Chauhan. You can see Abhimanyu Chauhan. Then OCG, organization and OCG is same, and OCG YPD. Then your then your rank. My rank is captain. Then again issue and want role. Then you can click here plus button, then you can attach the SS. Okay, then after applying, curator will give you a role. Then you want to scroll down, you will see YPD's informations, and you want to come in news. Here you can see the YPD news. Then you want to come in information and rules. Here you can see information and rules about the YPD. First, I will show you how to increase rank, because some new officers will say, I want promotion, please give me promotion. First, you want to come information and rule. Then you can see information about the promotion of junior staff. First, you want to come here, then scroll up, then you can see junior sergeant 1 equal sergeant. So here you can do this task, then you can pass it. Then you want to apply the apply for promotion. For applying, you want to come here, HR section. Then you will see in top promotion report. After coming promotion report, you want to application, give a promotion report like this. Okay, like first your name, then your current rank, then your applying rank, then tasks, then tag of seniors. 8th, 9th and leader will accept your application, or no one will accept. Then your access of tasks, then you come here, so you can see communication button. I will can't see you some security reasons. Okay, then here you can get the role of YPD and how to get promotion. Bye guys.